Remove the key cover. Use the emergency key. Turn the knob clockwise to open the door. Insert the batteries into compartment. How to set the user password? The safe should be in open position. Press the reset button. Enter the 3 to 8-digit new password and press hash key. Now the user password is successfully set. How to set the master password? The safe should be in open position. Press 0 twice. Then press the reset button. Enter the 3 to 8-digit new password and press hash. The buzzer will beep twice. The master password is set successfully. How to close the safe? Close the door. Rotate the knob anti-clockwise and the safe is closed. How to open the safe? Press your 3 to 8 digits password followed by hash key. Rotate the knob clockwise and open the safe. How to open safe in case of emergency? Use emergency key. Use the external 9V DC battery. Auto Secure Mode. After entering the wrong password 3 times, your safe will turn on Auto Secure Mode for 3 minutes.